everyone, how are you all? So today I'm going to make a very interesting video. Today going to make a drawing on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. So we know that on Makar Sankranti we generally fly kites. So I will make a boy, a cute child boy, and flying a kite. So I'll just make the hairs. So like this. Now ears. Now you can make the face, round face like this. Now eyes, eyebrows. Now eyes. For eyes, I will use tin mic sketch pen and like this. And so like this the eyes. And the same way I'll make another. Now I will make the mouth. So generally on Makar Sankranti, we used to fly the kites. The children used to fly kite. So we can show that thing that the children are flying kite on Makar Sankranti. Now I will make the neck, dress, and like this. You can draw along with me if you want, and you can decorate it with your school, and even you can gift it as a card also. So this is the boy and is holding a kite. And here he is holding the thread of the kite. So you can is holding the reel of the kite. And the thread is, now this is the thread he is holding, and it is joined with a kite. I'll show. Now the lower portion of the body of this boy. So like this you can make the legs, shoes, and he is running actually. So I'll make the another leg like on the backward direction. So this is the boy. And yes, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share it with others also. And on my channel you can get many videos on different things. Generally we celebrate all the you can get all the drawings related to festivals and preschool activity, drawings, doodlings. And now I will make the kite on in his hands. So for kite I'll make a triangle shape. So this is the kite. Now I will draw some small kites flying in the sky. So generally on occasion of Makar Sankranti, we fly kites. So these are the kites. And one more kite I can draw here, a big kite. On this occasion, we used to have different types of kites. So I'll make a butterfly. The butterfly in this kite. So this is the kite, and okay, so this is the drawing. And yes, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. So here I'll make, right, happy Makar Sankranti. You can gift it to anyone. You can give it as a card to anyone, whoever you want. And even you can decorate your school, or you can actually share it in your groups. Nowadays we used to have many groups, WhatsApp groups. So you can just share it with them, draw it yourself, and share it with them also. So this is the thing you can do. So you can color it with yellow color or whatever color you want. Now you can use it for the coloring pages also. You can draw it and give it to your children. So this is a very interesting activity you can do with children at home also. They will also know about the concept of different festivals. When they will color it, they will see, they will ask why we fly a kite or something like that. You can actually give them a chance to think about this festival now. So this is a very good activity. It's a family time. You can have a family time with your children. Enjoy this. I generally do this thing actually. I just draw something and then I enjoy with my children. I do coloring, doodling, and they enjoy it. And then I just paste them in their room. So with your family, you can enjoy this activity actually. So now my drawing is complete, and happy Makar Sankranti to all of you once again. And yes, now please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Share it with others also, and you can use this for family time also. Draw some drawings, very good for to de-stress yourself. Drawing is a very good activity, and then give it to your children for coloring, so it can you can enjoy the family time and enjoy the festival also. And then you can actually put a board in the children's room, and then you can just put it there also as a um, they will learn it about the festival, and they will enjoy it also. Bye from my side. Next time I'll bring more videos for you.